Listening to calls on the web provides for a simple way to manage and hear calls that were made in the past. Calls can be listened to and downloaded from the website. A downloaded call is a file that can be saved, as well as emailed. Let's get on with listening to the calls on the web. We begin by clicking the login button on this website. After 2 clicks, the login screen appears. Here you need to enter your phone number and password. The phone number is your 10-digit iPhone number. Your password is played for you when you dial 1-267-442-3140 on your iPhone. The call detail report appears. The report shows calls for a specific date range. You normally begin by first selecting your date range, and then by hitting the Submit button. As you see, the report can be printed and exported. The exported report is in Excel format. The report can be sorted by any column, by clicking on the column's title. The obvious columns are date, time, caller ID, and dialed number. Min is the call duration in minutes. The caller ID is normally your iPhone number. However, if you use our inbound recording service, the caller ID would be the caller's caller ID. The dialed number is always blank for recordings that are initiated by using the R app. The dialed number will appear for recordings that use the M app. The conversation number is used for the Play Specific Calls on the Phone feature. The confirmation number does not provide any useful information. The recordings can be listened to in both the ASF and WAV columns. Under each column, you can listen to a call by clicking on the player icon, and you can download the recording by clicking on the diskette icon. ASF files are compressed and are about 1/8 the size of WAV files. A 10-minute ASF recording is about 500 megabytes. ASF files play on the iPhone and on the normal Microsoft browser. They do not play on Macs or on Firefox. The larger WAV file does not play on the iPhone, but they do play on Macs and on Firefox.